In the intricate tapestry of human relationships, friendships stand as pillars that provide support, companionship, and understanding. However, as the saying goes, one fake friend can create more damage than 5 enemies. This proverbial wisdom sheds light on the profound impact that a deceitful companion can have on an individual's life. Unlike enemies who openly display hostility, fake friends camouflage their intentions, creating a treacherous dynamic that can lead to emotional turmoil, shattered trust, and lasting damage. To comprehend the gravity of this assertion, one must first acknowledge the significance of genuine friendships. True friends are the bedrock of emotional stability, offering a safe haven where individuals can express their vulnerabilities without fear of judgment. They share in joys and sorrows, providing a support system that enhances mental well-being. However, when a friendship is tainted by deceit, the repercussions can be devastating. The insidious nature of a fake friend lies in their ability to disguise their true motives behind a facade of camaraderie. These individuals infiltrate the inner circle, gaining access to personal thoughts and emotions. As trust deepens, so does the potential for betrayal. Unlike enemies who openly declare their opposition, fake friends manipulate trust, causing emotional harm that can linger long after the betrayal is revealed. Emotional distress is one of the most insidious consequences of a fake friendship. When the facade crumbles, the victim is left grappling with feelings of betrayal, confusion, and a profound sense of loss. The emotional toll can manifest in anxiety, depression, and a diminished sense of self-worth. The damage inflicted by a fake friend can erode the foundations of mental well-being, leaving scars that persist even in subsequent relationships. Moreover, the impact of a fake friend extends beyond the emotional realm, seeping into the fabric of personal and professional life. In a world where trust is a currency, the betrayal of a supposed ally can undermine one's ability to form connections and collaborations. This breach of trust may lead to a heightened sense of skepticism, making it challenging to forge meaningful connections in the future. The damage wrought by a fake friend is not confined to the individual alone. It ripples through social circles, affecting mutual friends and acquaintances. The revelation of deceit can create fractures within the larger community, as alliances are questioned and loyalties are tested. The fallout from a fake friendship can generate a ripple effect, causing collateral damage that extends far beyond the initial betrayal. In essence, the assertion that one fake friend can create more damage than 5 enemies encapsulates the profound and far-reaching consequences of deceit within the realm of friendship. The emotional, personal, and social ramifications of a fake friend's betrayal are extensive, leaving a lasting imprint on the individual and their broader network. As society navigates the complexities of human relationships, understanding the potential harm posed by deceptive companions becomes paramount in fostering genuine connections and safeguarding emotional well-being. To further dissect the dynamics at play, it is essential to explore the reasons why a fake friend can be more damaging than multiple enemies. Enemies, by definition, openly oppose and challenge use. Their motives are often transparent, allowing us to adopt defensive measures and protect ourselves. In contrast, a fake friend operates from within, exploiting the trust and intimacy of a friendship to carry out their deceptive agenda. One of the insidious aspects of a fake friend's betrayal lies in the erosion of the very foundation on which friendships are built. Trust. Trust is the glue that binds individuals in any relationship, and when it is breached, the consequences are profound. Unlike enemies who may never gain our trust in the first place, a fake friend strategically gains entry into our inner circle, creating a sense of security before dismantling it with their deceit. This betrayal not only damages the specific friendship, but can also cast a shadow of doubt on future connections, hindering an individual's ability to trust others. Furthermore, the impact of a fake friend is often exacerbated by the duration of the deceit. While enemies may present an immediate threat that can be confronted and addressed, a fake friend may operate in the shadows for an extended period. This prolonged deception allows them to intimately understand the vulnerabilities and insecurities of their unsuspecting companion, enabling a more targeted and devastating betrayal when the truth is finally exposed. The comparison of one fake friend to 5 enemies also highlights the intensity of the emotional toll. The depth of emotional investment in a friendship makes the subsequent betrayal all the more painful. A fake friend, who may have witnessed the highs and lows of life, exploits this intimate knowledge to inflict maximum emotional damage. In contrast, enemies, while capable of causing harm, lack the same level of personal insight that a friend possesses, making their impact less profound on an emotional level. Moreover, the aftermath of a fake friendship can create a lingering sense of self-doubt and difficulty in forming new connections. The scars left by betrayal may lead individuals to question their judgment and ability to discern genuine intentions. This internal turmoil can hinder the development of new friendships, as the fear of being deceived again acts as a barrier to trust. In a societal context, the consequences of fake friendships extend beyond individual experiences. The erosion of trust in interpersonal relationships contributes to a broader culture of suspicion and skepticism. If individuals are wary of forming connections due to the fear of betrayal, the fabric of social cohesion is weakened. Building a society that fosters genuine connections requires a collective commitment to honesty and transparency, values that are undermined by the deceitful actions of a fake friend. In conclusion, the maxim that one fake friend can create more damage than 5 enemies underscores the profound impact of betrayal within the framework of friendship. The erosion of trust, the enduring emotional toll, and the potential for long-lasting damage on personal and societal levels distinguish the harm inflicted by a fake friend from that of multiple enemies. As individuals navigate the complex landscape of human relationships, cultivating discernment and fostering a culture of trust become imperative in safeguarding against the corrosive effects of deceptive companionships. Beyond the emotional and interpersonal dimensions, the fallout from a fake friendship can also extend to the realm of personal growth and self-discovery. Genuine friendships often serve as mirrors, reflecting our strengths and weaknesses, providing constructive feedback, and contributing to our personal development. When a friend is, in fact, a deceitful presence, this mirror becomes distorted, offering a false reflection that can impede self-awareness. The damage inflicted by a fake friend on personal growth is particularly insidious because it involves a manipulation of one's sense of identity. As individuals, we often define ourselves in relation to our connections with others. A fake friend, privy to the intricacies of our character, can exploit this knowledge to distort our self-perception. Their deceit may involve subtle forms of manipulation, subtly steering us away from our goals or encouraging behavior that is inconsistent with our authentic selves. In essence, the impact of a fake friend on personal growth is akin to planting weeds in the garden of self-discovery. The individual, instead of flourishing in an environment of authenticity and support, finds themselves contending with the stifling influence of deception. The journey towards self-actualization becomes cluttered with the remnants of a fractured friendship, hindering the ability to cultivate a genuine sense of purpose and fulfillment. Furthermore, the repercussions of a fake friendship often extend into the professional sphere. In an interconnected world where networking and collaboration are essential for success, the betrayal of a supposed ally can have profound implications for career advancement. Trusted colleagues and mentors may be hesitant to extend opportunities to an individual who has experienced such a breach of trust, fearing that the repercussions of the deception may spill over into the professional realm. The impact on professional relationships also underscores the interconnected nature of personal and career development. A fake friend's deceit can tarnish an individual's reputation, creating a ripple effect that extends beyond the confines of personal connections. In a world where personal branding and integrity are crucial, the fallout from a fake friendship can hinder professional progress and limit access to valuable opportunities. Moreover, the analogy of one fake friend equating to 5 enemies speaks to the disproportionate nature of the harm inflicted. Enemies, though adversarial, do not have the same level of access and influence over an individual's life as a friend does. The trust and vulnerability inherent in a friendship create a unique avenue for betrayal that can permeate multiple facets of an individual's existence, from emotional well-being to personal growth and professional aspirations. The assertion that one fake friend can create more damage than 5 enemies gains depth when considering the impact on personal growth and professional development. The distortion of self-perception, hindrance to authentic expression, and potential setbacks in career advancement highlight the multifaceted consequences of a deceitful friendship. As individuals navigate the intricate tapestry of relationships, recognizing the potential harm posed by fake friends becomes crucial not only for emotional well-being, but also for fostering a path of genuine self-discovery and professional success.